Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Walmart Marketplace ads for listing SEO performance, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Walmart Marketplace ads for listing SEO performance, start by logging into your Walmart Seller Central account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the top menu. Select Walmart ads from the drop-down options. Locate the campaign you want to analyze. Click on the campaign name to open the campaign details. Review the ad groups within that campaign for insights. Check the ad status to ensure they are active. Analyze the product listings associated with each ad group. Look for specific performance metrics, such as impressions, clicks, and conversion rates. Take note of keywords used in your ads. Evaluate your product titles and descriptions for SEO alignment. Ensure that your keywords are relevant to the products being listed. Adjust bids for underperforming ads based on your analysis. Integrate high-performing keywords into your product listings to boost visibility. Utilize Walmart's built-in keyword tools to identify potential new keywords. Consider making seasonal or market-specific adjustments to your ads. Monitor competitor listings to understand their strategies. Use insights from competitive analysis to refine your ad content. Conduct A/B testing on different ad variations to find the most effective approach. Track changes in performance after implementing adjustments. Regularly revisit your strategy, as market dynamics can shift. Cultivate a continuous optimization mindset to ensure ongoing success. Document all changes and results for future reference. This process will lead to better aligned ads and improved SEO performance for your Walmart Marketplace listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.